How to enable multi-currency in Zoho Books. Need to invoice in different currencies? Let's enable multi-currency in Zoho Books step by step. So first log in into Zoho Books and then click on the settings icon at the top right. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the general section. So from here, go ahead and select general and then set this to items. So from here, go ahead and look for currencies, and here you'll see your base currency and options to add more. Turn on multi-currency option. This unlocks the ability to add and manage multiple currencies. Now you can add new currency, choose from the list, and Zoho Books will fetch exchange rates automatically. You can also set custom rates. Edit customer or vendor profiles and assign their preferred currency. Invoices and bills will now use that currency. When creating invoices or bills, Zoho Books applies the correct currency and tracks exchange rate differences and reports. And that is how to enable multi-currency in Zoho Books.